You hit him again, I will kick your balls back into your stomach, mate.
What makes you feel that you're better than us?
Is that for real?
That's just a noise. Are we supposed to be able to understand her?
Do you understand that? Do I look like I'm some kind of fucking knob?
You think you can dick around with boys? I fucking love ya!
All these bitches is my sons.
You call that a car?
What would you call it?
Call it pathetic. 20 fucking grand. Fuck's sake. I'm a fucking rocket star, you dick.
I'm the terminator. Bitch talk slick, I'ma have to terminate.